Today I'm going to explain to you on how to take care of your jewelry. These are some basic tips that one needs to take care of. Don't store your diamond jewelry next to other jewelry pieces, as this can cause scratches. A fabric-lined jewelry case with separate compartments is ideal. You can also individually wrap jewelry in soft tissue paper or use jewelry pouches for each piece. Regularly inspect your diamond jewelry to make sure the setting is secure. Promptly bring it to a professional jeweler if you notice any signs of damage or loosening of the prongs. It's a good idea to have your diamond jewelry examined at least once a year by a professional jeweler. In addition to performing any necessary repair work, your jeweler can expertly clean your jewelry. Everyday exposure to creams, skin oils, hairspray, household chemicals and other substances can cause buildup that will dull your diamond's brilliance and sparkle. Use a solution of warm water mixed with a few drops of ammonia in which to soak your diamond jewelry. Gentle scrubbing with an old, soft bristled toothbrush is useful for more extensive cleaning. Rinse and dry with a clean, soft cloth. So how can you keep your diamond looking at its very best? Here are some tips on diamond care. Handle your diamond sparingly, as your fingers provide enough oil from your skin to alter the way your diamond looks. Clean your diamond regularly. A simple plan to keep your diamond jewelry always looking beautiful is to soak the diamond in an ammonia-based household cleaner such as a window cleaner overnight, once or twice weekly. In the morning, remove the diamond from the cleaner and brush it with a soft, clean toothbrush to remove any leftover dirt. Take extra care to brush the back of the diamond, as this will be the area that has collected the most oil and dirt. Be aware that fragile settings and estate jewelry won't take kindly to being scrubbed with a toothbrush, so use a soft touch. Then just rinse the diamond with water and wipe with a soft, lint-free cloth. Sometimes an ultrasonic cleaner is necessary to remove encrusted dirt on diamonds. By sending high-frequency sound waves through a detergent solution, ultrasonic cleaners cause vibrating fluid to remove accumulated dirt and grime. They can also shake loose stones from their mounting. So this method shouldn't be used on fragile settings and is best undertaken by a professional jeweler. Regular cleaning will keep your diamond jewelry in gleaming condition and ready to sparkle on that special occasion. Even though you may wear your diamond engagement ring 24 hours a day, you should still give a thought to its care. A diamond loses its value if chipped or broken. Hence, diamond jewelry should be handled very carefully, and one should avoid dropping it or undertaking rough jobs like gardening or even bathing. Hence, one should ensure that all the links in the jewelry, including the findings, are intact and not loose. Contact with permanent inks like permanent markers, etc. should be avoided. Don't wear it when you're doing rough work. Even though a diamond is durable, it can be chipped by a hard blow. Don't let your diamond come in contact with chlorine bleach when you're doing household chores. It can damage and discolor the mounting. Do see your jeweler at least once a year and have him check your ring and other precious pieces for loose prongs and wear of mountings. He'll usually give them a professional shine up too. When you're not wearing diamonds and precious jewelry, they still require attention. Keep your precious pieces in a fabric-lined jewelry case or a box with compartments or dividers. If you prefer to use ordinary boxes, wrap each piece individually in tissue paper. Don't jumble your diamond pieces in a drawer or jewelry case, because diamonds can scratch other jewelry and can even scratch each other. Don't leave your ring on the rim of a sink when you're removing it to wash your hands. It can easily slip down the drain.